The direct missile strike on Soroka Medical Center has shaken Israel's medical system. ILTV's Mayan Hoffman is on the ground in Be'er Sheva with the latest.
Well, Lidar, I'm standing here outside Soroka Medical Center in Be'er Sheva, one of the country's busiest hospitals and the only level 1 trauma center in the area. This morning, a ballistic missile targeted the hospital and directly struck the facility. The repercussions for the doctors, for the medical centers, are still to be seen. Let's take a look. This morning, Soroka Medical Center in Be'er Sheva sustained a direct missile strike, an unprecedented attack on Israel's healthcare system. While the hospital had already been operating under extreme wartime pressure, treating over 1 million residents of the south, along with injured soldiers, the attack caused minor damage to multiple buildings, including the old surgical ward and the emergency room. Fortunately, most patients had been moved out in recent days as part of the hospital's emergency preparations. Dr. Shlomi Kodesh, Soroka's director general, says the missile nearly caused mass casualties.
It's total shock that someone would target a medical center. People in the hospital the people we have left in the hospital are elderly people, cancer patients, people who need urgent medical care. They cannot go home. And these people were targeted directly to be killed.
Roughly 650 patients were being treated at Soroka at the time of the attack, he said, most already relocated to protected spaces. The internal medicine building is now being evacuated, and emergency-only operations continue while teams assess the damage. The Ministry of Health confirmed several people suffered minor injuries and trauma. An initial fear of hazardous materials leaking from a nearby lab has been ruled out. Patients are being diverted to hospitals in Ashdod, Ashkelon, and Rehovot. The public is urged not to come to Soroka unless it is a life-threatening emergency. An information center is open at 1255177. President Isaac Herzog condemned the strike, calling it an attack on humanity. A baby in intensive care, a doctor rushing between beds. These were Iran's targets, he said. And the head of Israel's medical association, Sion Haggai, called it a war crime, urging international medical bodies to speak out. Despite the damage, Soroka's medical teams, Jewish and Arab, side by side, continue to work around the clock to save lives.